What was that thing I needed to remember? Oh yeah! I knew this DIY command center would come in handy, and all you need are a few of my favorite WORKPRO tools. Start by measuring and marking a piece of plywood the size you want the command center. Then use a jigsaw to cut it to size. Next, I cut 2 pieces of 1x4 to 2 inches. We're going to be using a hole saw to cut 2 holes in each of the pieces so that the rod can fit through. This is what our craft paper is going to be held on by. I used my 7/8 hole saw from my WORKPRO kit to easily cut holes in each of the blocks. Now that that's finished, we can sand the blocks and get ready to attach them to the board. We're going to attach them using wood glue and clamps. We're going to also secure them with small screws from the other side. Now that our command center is built, it's time to paint. I went with rosemary because it's such a peaceful green, and I think it'll be the perfect pop of color for that corner of the kitchen. While the frame was drying, I added a little rub and buff to the rod to give it some character. Once the frame was dry, it's time to add the knobs. Mark and space the knobs so they're evenly apart. Then, pre-drill small holes into your board. Finally, it's time to hang up our command center. I absolutely recommend using a level to hang anything on the wall. And I really love this one because it can do multiple angles and has magnets. Now it's time for the finishing touches. I added these 2 little hanging baskets to hold all of our daily essentials. Plus this cute little hanging basket to give the board some life. Next, I added our rod and our craft paper. This is where we're going to keep all the important notes, dates, and anything else that I need to remember. The hanging baskets will hold all of our daily essentials. Notes, forms, mail, and the other basket will hold pens, pencils, and these super cute mini ever-bright flashlights. This command center is exactly what we needed to help keep us organized, and it doubles as super cute decor. And all it took were some of my favorite WORKPRO tools and one board to create. Follow Southern Yankee DIY for more fun and simple project builds.